you're out here buying new things, cars, watches, homes, living a great life. But all of a sudden you close the door of your room and at night you're sitting here uncomfortable. Your mindset is still weak. Why is your mindset so weak? Well, because you're expecting the things that you bought, these material things, to somehow take you to the next level. And listen, the reality is that that's not going to happen. The reality is that you can buy all the things in the world, but if your mindset is weak, it's not going to change. Now, I will tell you things. I will tell you this, that enjoying the finer things in life is beautiful. Having great assets, cars and houses and traveling and all that, well, that's all good stuff. Don't get me wrong. I'm never going to tell you not to use that as a confidence builder. Never tell you that. As a matter of fact, most of the time I'm going to tell you, go out there and maybe buy something that you've been wanting, that you deserve, right? But look, if you're thinking that by buying these material things, somehow they're going to change you mentally, they're not. I'll tell you where you get that change in mentality. I want to tell you. That change in mentality happens when you stop devaluing yourself. When you start increasing your self-worth. When you really start becoming the man that you're supposed to be. A protector, a provider, a good husband, a good father. And you prioritize that in your life. Not some BS, okay? Not some car or house. That's not gonna make you a better man. And I say this over and over again. You need to rewire the way you think. You need to prioritize the important things in your life and stop, going out there and constantly focusing on the bigger things. Sometimes the little things are important. Spending 5 minutes with your daughter or your son, taking your wife out on a date, waking up early, going to the gym, maybe having some clear time, some clear space time for your mind, being there, spending time with your friends or family or whatever. Look, guys, this is it right here. The reality, when everything is said and done, you have one life to live. You either step up, become the best version of you, or the chances are that you're going to be miserable. But listen, that's up to you. I say, move the needle, man, right? Move the needle the right way and start living your life to its fullest, right? It's all about building you, not the material things around you.